Hi guys, bigyan ka lang dito ng update doon sa ginawa nating video noong April 1. No? So ito, share ko lang dito yung naging results, other updates dito as well as itong price action ni Pi. As per observation, nagkaroon siya ng pagbagsak ng presyo, so mabay sa market. Pag-uusapan din natin dito guys yung mga nangyari sa crypto. Bago tayo dito magsimula, kung hindi nyo pa na-like itong video na ito, please like this video first. Subscribe yung YouTube channel natin, turn on the bell icon para ma-notify kayo dito sa mga updates natin na ginagawa sa ating YouTube channel guys, no. So meron tayong ginawang video noong April 1, ito. This is obviously optimistic target guys, no. And ipinapakita lang sa scenario na ito na crypto journey is a long way process, no. Hindi ito yung get rich quick na tinatawag, siguro pwedeng get wreck quick yung pwedeng halin tulad ko dito sa crypto guys, no. If you don't have this discipline and you don't have experience, ay itong mga gantong scenario is like lessons. It's a big lessons, especially sa mga beginner, and I always consider myself as a beginner, continuously learning dito sa space na ito. And itong scenario na ito is like part of the reality in crypto trading guys, no. And I'm just share some insights, experience, lesson, and other ideas dito sa video natin, no. So puntahan natin yung price action ni WLD. So ito guys, 4 hours time frame. Noong nagbigay tayo ng update, yung price action is nagkakaroon ng rally sa upside, no. Papunta siya sa 80 cents. And wala tayong mention na indicators doon kung anong ginagamit natin, pero usually we use EMA 50 guys na ito. And upon observation, 4 hours time frame, this will act as resistance, no, and bumagsak yung price action. Ngayon, ang nangyari sa ating trade, we got stop out doon guys, no. So if papanoorin nyo tong video na ito, I keep mentioning na pwedeng magkaroon ng downside move. The stop loss is already adjusted. If mapapansin nyo dito sa video na ito, very optimistic target guys, no, kasi sobrang layo nung targets na iyon. Pero check natin mamaya yung pinaka position history natin kay WLD yung napili natin kasi merong magandang update during that time, yung AI sector, which is yung kay Sam Altman, and yung WLD is one of venture sister company in crypto space ni Sam Altman, no. So ngayon, itong si Pi naman, again guys, itong si Pi, sunod-sunod na video natin na I'm discussing nung probability sa downside, no. Meron pa tayong video na kahit pabagsak yung presyo is nagkaka-profits tayo. So we observe dito guys sa price action ni Pi, nagkaroon na siya dito ng pagbagsak ng presyo, no. As we observe, breakdown na nga yung support niya dati sa price action niya. Puntahan natin sa trading view. Ito. So as we observe guys, price action is below doon sa support, no. Sa 4 hours time frame yan, nagkaroon dito ng drastic move sa downside, and in my own opinion, high probability dito ng continuation, no. Meaning there's a probability na pwede pang bumagsak yung price action kasi breakdown guys sa 4 hours time frame, and as we can see, hindi na nirespect yung support na yan, and nagkaroon pa ng pagbagsak ng presyo, no. So siguro in my own opinion dito, pwede pa rin niyang balikan yan, pero magiging resistance na yan guys, no. Yung dating support ay magiging resistance na if ever man nabalikan ng price action itong area na ito, no. So as of now, 56.87 yung price action dito ni Pi. Ang daming mga nangyari for the past couple of hours dito in crypto space as Trump announced nung tariff, and ang laking epekto sa overall market, no. Hindi lang crypto, stocks nagkaroon ng drastic move sa downside, and sa mga gantong scenario need to be prepared, no. Risk management is very important, and discipline sa market. Sa mga gantong scenario, it's better to take down, and if ever man I do mistakes on my end, I reflect from those mistakes and take note journal guys, no. So yun, isa sa mga napansin natin dito, start pa lang ng Q2 quarter 2, which is April, ang dami nang nangyari sa market, no. Price goes down, and if ever man na long term yung pinaka perspective mo dito, and you know the market cycle, and part ng video guys, discuss ko na lang or share ko sa inyo yung video na ginawa ko sa market cycle as well as the price action trajectory ng Bitcoin guys, no. Yun, isa sa mga tinitingnan natin dito na probabilities right now for Pi is a potential continuation sa downside if there's no no demand coming in, price retrace continuously sa downside guys. So, pero who knows, pwede pa rin siyang magkaroon ng pullback and then retest ulit doon sa dating support na magiging resistance. So WLD, balikan natin. Ayan, we have some position history kay WLD guys. Ayan, so nasa futures yung aking trade. Again guys, itong video natin today is just for ideas lang, for reference, an update, and does not qualify as an investment or financial advice. Hope you get some insights dito, as well as I'm sharing some experience, or I'm sharing my experience dito. You share the risk and reward para mas magkaroon kayo dito ng informed decisions, as well as dun sa mga nagtatanong. So check natin WLD futures. I have some trades dito. Position history natin. Papakita ko dito guys yung negative ko, no. Pero for now, yung discussion lang muna natin sa itong video na ginawa ko noong April 1. And I learned from that naman. Meron tayong negative guys. Ito, ang laking cut loss ko dito kay WLD. Pero before that pa kasi, ito, noong yan, April 1, no? Kita nyo ba? So entry natin, time open April 1, and then I got stop out 17 USDT yung cut ko, pero nag-reflect dito is 12.17, no? Kasi pwede pang i-consider natin yung funding rates as well as yung available na order book dito kung saan siya na trigger, no? So ito yung aking stop out doon kay WLD. And as per observation naman dito guys, sa gantong trade ko, lots of lessons ang nakuha ko dito. Unang-una, we have indicators na nakaplat dito, pero for the sake nung experimental event is like I disregard to. So nung nauntog yung price action dito, I disregard, no, and sabi ko okay, for the sake ng ginawa nating experiment, ay i-hold ko lang siya, or any of that. As mentioned naman doon sa video natin, first video natin dito, is that any of that zone na tamaan is, it is what it is, and it was happen, I got stop out doon. So yun, yun yung naging results dito. I learned from this trade guys, no. We continuously learning naman, yung mga real traders is continuously learning yan and adapt kung ano man yung nakikita nila sa market. So dito I disregard yung mga indicators, and as mentioned, for the sake of experiment, I just take this trade, and stop loss yung naging result natin doon, no? So next one, I been checking na ng price action itong si WLD. I got stop out ito. If ever man na hinold ko pa to, sobrang laki ng drawdown ko if ever man na hinold ko pa siya. So this is 695. I think overall loss ko dito kay WLD is more or less, kasi meron tayong mga wins naman dito sa baba. I think more or less 200 USDT if ililess natin yung mga profits natin dito sa naging results dito sa stop na trade ko guys, no. So yun, it's very important to take note yung mga ginawa kong trades dito and reflect from those mistakes, no. So yun, hope you get some insights dito sa ating update today. Kung meron kayo mga questions guys, feel free to comment lang. Pasensya na kung hindi ko man masagot yung mga comment nyo dyan sa ating YouTube channel, pero I read those comment and ginagawa natin ng video. Yun, hope you get some insights, updates dito guys, as well as dito sa price action ni PAI. Yung machinery natin na ginagamit ko na indicators kahit pabagsak yung price action is that you get some insights, no. And kung hindi nyo pa napapanood guys yung video natin na ginawa before about Bitcoin trajectory, I think the price action right now is healthy retracement or on healthy retracement. Meron tayong video guys about Bitcoin trajectory, lalagay ko na lang dito sa screen, and see you sa video na yun guys. Maraming salamat ulit sa panunood. Ingat tayong lahat. Peace out. Bye for now.